You have been working so hard on your sounds, and s, that now we're going to try to write and s. We're going to do rainbow letters.
This will be hard.
Don't worry. You're really smart. You can do it. So, you're going to work on this sound. What sound is this one? And you're going to work on this sound, Wyatt. What sound is that one? What you're going to do is you're going to pick your 3 favorite colors out of the can.
I like this one,
3 favorite colors.
One, and this one, this one, this one, and this one.
Did you choose 3?
This is 3. See? This is 3.
You're going to start where the large dot is.
I know what it is.
And you're going to trace with your first color